Hello everyone, Neelam welcomes you at the Rise of Hobbes. So students, today we will learn that how to draft a classified advertisement for situation wanted. First of all, need to tell you that how to link with the title. Suppose someone is in want of a job, need of a job. Okay, then situation wanted because the person is in need or in want, वो चाहते हैं जॉब एंड दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू गिव द टाइटल सिचुएशन वांटेड. उन्हें जॉब की ज़रूरत है, ही इज़ और शी इज़ इन वांट, दैट्स वाई वी विल गिव टाइटल सिचुएशन वांटेड. ओके, then first thing is that we need to check value points. These are the value points checklist. What value points we have to include in our advertisement while drafting this classified advertisement? As I already told you that classified advertisement should be very short. You need to put comma, no need to write full sentences, no need to use grammar, because the advertiser have to pay for each and every word and every line to the newspaper for giving it in the classified columns. So less words, more information. Okay, first value point should be the personal detail, means the person who is in want of a job, he has to give his personal detail. Like personal detail will include age of the candidate, health of the candidate, sex of the candidate, education, means his educational qualifications, then profession, at which post he want to join, then experience, is he or she a fresh candidate or experienced candidate, other qualification if she or he has, then preference, what kind of preference the candidate has, he will or she will include it in very detail, like type of job, which kind of job the candidate want, then area, in which locality he is sorting job, he is searching job, emoluments means what expected salary, which salary he is expecting from the company, from the firm, organization in which he can do the job, then contact and address, so that interesting organization can contact him or her, then word limit, 50 word is the limit for advertisement, and then enclose in a bits. So while drafting a classified advertisement, we need to put all these value points in our advertisement. Now let's be ready for drafting this classified advertisement, right? First of all, write title. Situation wanted is our title because the candidate is in search, in want of a job. That's why he is giving his or her professional profile. Okay, so first you need to start that a highly experienced, this is the value point, experience. Value point included here, experience plus educational qualification. Highly experienced, highly qualified, highly experienced. Young is the value point of age. Smart is the related to health. You can add here male candidate or female candidate. We can include this also for the sex. For mentioning the sex, we can include that a highly experienced, young, smart, female candidate. Okay, this can be included here. Profession of first class. This is also about the qualification. First class means he or she is telling about the achievements, is first class. BE, Bachelor in Engineering. Which department? Electrical stream. So the candidate is BE, Bachelor in Electrical. He is from the engineering, electrical engineering from IIT Delhi. IIT Delhi is telling his name, his or her name of the institution from where he got this degree. Okay, so this is, so he mentioned experience, educational qualification, sex male candidate, health is young and smart. Okay, personal detail hai, this is his profession, electrical. Okay, engineering side he want, so this is a profession. Then now preference, which preference he or she want to give. He or she seeks a job in or around Delhi. This is about the type of job. Type of job is seeks a job of engineer, okay, because he is BE in electrical, that's why he need the job of an engineer. So type of job is engineer. Area or locality is in or around Delhi. Candidate want job in means in Delhi or around Delhi. दिल्ली के आसपास के एरिया में भी इंटरेस्टेड है वो जॉब करने के लिए. एरिया और लोकेलिटी विद दिस वैल्यू पॉइंट वी हैव कवर्ड हियर. देन इवोल्यूएंट्स, एट प्रेजेंट ही इज गिविंग अदर क्वालिटीज में वो क्या मेंशन कर रहे हैं. ही इज सेइंग दैट एट प्रेजेंट वर्किंग विद अ प्राइवेट फर्म इन अलवर. He has clearly stated here that presently is working in Alwar in Rajasthan, but he needs job in or around Delhi. Maybe some of the problem of his family, maybe any other issue. That's why he want job in Delhi only, not in Alwar. That's why he is or she is thinking to change, to switch the job. Okay. Now emoluments. Emoluments is salary, expected salary. He or she need rupees 50,000. Okay, 50,000 is the expected salary. Only that firm can contact to the candidate which can offer this salary. Okay, around this, then contact address and phone number. So this is the availability of the candidate. Candidate is giving its detail about the availability, that for the walk-in interview for the job means he is available or she is available up from 8 to 5 any day. Firm can contact him or her for the job, for the interview. So this is the time or the availability of the time for the candidate. Then please write to contact and address. Anil is candidate, it means male candidate. This is address, house number. This one is the locality or area where or say she is living, because he or she is living in Delhi. He is living, because here is Anil. So male candidate, he is living in Delhi, that's why he want job in or around Delhi. Okay, it's Alwar is so far for him, and that's why he is in search of job in or around Delhi. Now word limit, you can count students that the word limit is under your word limit means we have not exceed 50 words. Just needed to write smartly, put comma and write feature, put comma and write feature. No need to take grammatical issues, no need to take care of the lengthy lines, no need. Okay, just write feature, put comma, and then phone number. This is phone number on which the firm and organization which want candidate can contact on this number. Word limit and then enclose in the box. So here we have drafted our an advertisement for the situation wanted. Any other candidate can maybe you can change the qualification. मेल की जगह आप फीमेल लिख सकते हो, एक्सपेक्टेड सैलरी में चेंज आ सकता है. ओके, एंड देन देयर मे बी द चेंज इन द पोस्ट कोई एंड द क्वालिफिकेशन. एक्सपीरियंस में 10 year एक्सपीरियंस, 5 year एक्सपीरियंस. सो दिस इज अ फॉर्मेट इन विच यू कैन पुट your other information and you can make a new advertisement. So if you have understood very clearly, then give your thumbs up. Okay, share with your other friends so that they also can learn that how to draft a classified advertisement of situation wanted. If you have not subscribed channel The Rise of Hope, subscribe, stay connected with us, and thanks for being the part of The Rise of Hope. Thank you so much.